bus and I'm having the hiccups. Yeah, it's a little crowded on the bus right now. And I don't know if you guys can hear me, but interesting ride. But this is going to be a short video because it is crowded and I don't want to make people uncomfortable riding the city bus. Just closing everybody. Usually happens when I'm in crowded places where it really spaz out in hiccups. I don't know if it's because of my anxiety that's causing it or not. They're trying to make it. It's been a long day so far. Lisa turned to me and yeah, not very talkative. That's okay. At least I'm making everybody happy with my hiccups. I even made the driver laugh before I sat down.
Like that, I'll be arrested for saying something. Yeah. Nothing more.
Sliding all over the place.
Great people.
Can't do much longer. It should be always to my destination, depending on how many stops.
I don't want to be, I want to be that big silver. You got the hiccup.
Oh yes.
Oh my God, my brother had that for 3.5 hours. Oh my God. Oh.
It's like a Tourette spasms of
You know what
hiccups.
works?
Like I can't really control them. They just
You know what works? Citrus.
citrus.
Like try a lemon. Yeah, it
I
will
know
work.
I have tried vinegar. I just didn't think about
No,
lemon.
that's no vinegar's poisonous to the body. Yeah. Try a lemon. Any citrus, orange.
I should keep that in mind. Yes, if you do it, I'll repeat after you.
No, really?
Oh yeah.
I didn't even say anything. Try citrus. Buy
Okay.
a lemon.
And suck on that for a bit.
Well, that's not what I'm saying. Just eat it.
Eat it.
Orange. Lime.
I could see the lemon doing something though. Because with the acids that they have.
It does. Hey!
See you later.